Hey YouTube, wanted to get on here and do a DIY. I've been loving the Scrabble wall art that I've been seeing on Pinterest. So I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to do that. Right now I'm just placing the names where I want them to go. I have a total of 6 names that I'm trying to put together. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so I went ahead and numbered all of my tiles that I'm going to be cutting out. And I have a total of 24 pieces. Okay, so I measured my, let's see if you can see it, my board. And it is... Okay, so I'm cramped up in the garage, so excuse my tiny space that I'm working with. But here is my board, and I have the measuring tape out. I'm so sorry for this shadow that I have. But so I'm gonna go ahead and mark off at every 3 inches. And that's where I would cut. So that would be 1, and then where the 6 would be 2, where the 9 would be 3, and so on and so forth. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark it up and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and finished doing all the marks on my board. So next what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and start cutting them, and I will be right back. Okay, so now that I have all of my pieces of wood cut, I should have 24 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 pieces. Now what I'm going to do is lay it out. Then what I'm gonna do, I actually found these felt stickers at the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to be putting them on top of the letters and tracing them. And then after I trace them, I'm gonna paint them with my antiquing white paint. And I'll show you how I'm gonna do that. First, I'm gonna lay them out. Okay, so this is the layout, and I'm going to go ahead and find the letters that I need specifically for those tiles. Okay, so I went ahead and brought one of the names up here. Let me go ahead and trace this. Let's see if I can zoom in. are kind of free-handed. Some of these letters from the actual tile picture on the internet, and so I went ahead and did that. And okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start tracing them. So as you can tell, I went with the antique white. Okay, so I'm decided to go ahead and do the letters black because I wanted it to look very similar to the actual Scrabble pieces. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put in here, and I'm going to go ahead and start painting.